Hey dreamers, welcome back for another round of wisdom with me. Thanks for dropping by to dive into the magic of manifestation. Today, I've got the inside scoop on how you can make someone text you in just 30 seconds without even saying a word. Whether it's a crush, a buddy, a job lead, you name it, you can make that notification pop up lightning fast. Now, some might raise an eyebrow and say, 30 seconds? That's crazy talk. But hold on, let me hit you with a quote from the great Abraham Hicks. How long it takes to manifest something depends on how fast you can drop the resistance. Could be decades, could be days, could even be a mere 30 seconds. Imagine this. Manifesting a text is as doable as finding a penny on the ground. Crazy, right? It's all about ditching the doubts and embracing the possibility. If you're scratching your head at the idea of manifesting a castle, fear not. It's just as easy as that penny, provided you clear out the mental roadblocks. So, here's the game plan to snag that text in record time. First, get comfy. Close those peepers and spend the next 2 minutes simply breathing, in through the nose, out through the mouth. No rocket science, just air in, air out. If pesky thoughts try to crash the party, politely shoo them away. Focus on the breathing. Now, you're in a Zen-like state, free of resistance. Picture this. You've just received that oh-so-perfect text. Feel the joy, soak in the emotions. Got it? Great. Now open those eyes. Congratulations. You've just kicked resistance to the curb and set the stage for instant manifestation. Resist the urge to check your phone right away. That's a one-way ticket back to square one. Go about your day, and when the time feels right, check your phone. Bet you'll find that text waiting for you. This technique isn't just for texts. It's a game changer for manifesting anything. Ready to dive deeper into the mysteries of making someone addicted to you? Check out my next video for the lowdown. Happy manifesting, friends!